Should I put up long time, you know? Yeah, this limb was torn down to the ground.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So what are you up to, Papa G?
Putting up a breadfruit limb that the breeze blow down, break off. I should have one of the card, you know. Tell Mama G to pass one of the card.
Like the red card?
Mm-hmm. Give her a sense. Let's start the work. Go on that side. I'm going to lift it up, but you're going to hold the weed. Coming around the limb here. Come to me. Come around. Look like you push it down. Go. Get down, Sammy. I know this one. They don't want it.
Oh, you want it? Yes, sir.
But the push jump too far.
We have to jump it again. Because this, if you let it go, it will have too much space.
I mean, I want to limb if you hold it.
I want a bigger limb.
I did want it the real pressure.
How to get this though?
No, I'm going to get this one.
Unless you put it right this one.
To go take it down my again.
After.
Take your time.
Just wear your foot there. Put this in it.
How far? You have to get in.
I realize.
Look, this one like something with. Oh, okay, shit. All the way rain falling.
It's too hard. Because the red dirt is ridiculous.
If I clear dirt, this gone.
So the initial hole that we made was too far.
Should I put up long time, you know?
That is true.
But
We never had the time. Be gentle.
this is how it is. You jam it too deep. You can hold it up?
I don't want to dip on the little branch though.
Yeah, man, that's all right.
It's good to work.
You go burn it, you know.
Okay.
Alright, let it go now, let's see.
We need some stone to jump
Yeah,
over.
man.
Looks good.
I go burn here, so well, let me get to it. That's good enough. That should be good enough. I think of everything like that.
Oh, I see. So
Now
that
we don't want this something cut the chunk. We're going to take time.
put it on either side.
Nothing really can need to, please. That's good, man.
Alright.
Nothing, sir.
Yep.
You want to go up more?
Don't have to go up anymore. I'm afraid if you go deeper, this will get too thin.
No, I'm going
It'll
to
break.
Alright, make it work with that. What more you do? Hold up this. Carry it to me a little bit.
Okay.
Right. I'm going to bend it down one time. So it hold that. It can still
Survive. And the spiritual lesson is we should always try to connect ourselves to Christ.
The main vine. I think I cut this too short. Yeah, this limb was torn down to the ground, but it still hitch onto the trunk, so we band it up. Hopefully it will catch back root to its main source and start to grow again.
Yep. This is an extensive surgical operation by Papa G.
And it has breadfruit on it.
Oh yeah, let me see if I can find it.
Round, way around, way around.
Yeah.
The last limb.
I see like there's one coming here
Yes, the one here.
and there's one here.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. For today, I think this is firm. What?